Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready. Confirmed email and a phone with an authenticator app installed. First, open the Roblox mobile app and sign in. Once in, tap your profile icon, go to Settings, then Security. Make sure your email is confirmed. Roblox won't let you complete two-step verification without it. Tap two-step verification and choose to use an authenticator app. Follow the prompt to show a QR code or secret key. Don't skip copying that key in case you need to. Once you select Authenticator, point your phone's Authenticator app at the Roblox QR code and add the account. If you can't scan, tap to show the secret key and type it into the app manually. Write down that key and store it securely. The app immediately starts producing a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. Enter the current code into the Roblox prompt, then tap Verify. If verification succeeds, Roblox will enable two-step verification for your account right away. After verification, copy and securely store any backup codes or the secret key provided. These are your recovery method. Once done, test signing out and back in to confirm the authenticator prompt appears. If the 6-digit codes are rejected, make sure your phone's time is set to automatic network time. Authenticator apps require accurate time to match codes. If problems persist but you still have account access, disable two-step verification and repeat the setup using the same secret key or a new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.